through the strategy of the government when it comes to this all-party meeting. The all-party meeting is set to begin in a short while from now. Leaders from all parties have started reaching the parliament premises for this meeting, and as per latest inputs, it's Rajnath Singh who's presiding over the all-party meeting, who's set to preside over this all-party meeting. And we're also getting to know that JP Nadda, Rajnath Singh and Kiren Rijiju are on the dais. There are about 50 leaders who've been invited, including leaders from the Congress, the YSRCP, the Trinamool Congress, the Aam Aadmi Party, the Shiv Sena UBT, the LJP, the HAM and other parties, both from the NDA and the INDIA bloc. Pragya, as you track what, this all-important all-party meeting ahead of the monsoon session, you've also got us information on the government strategy. Take us through the latest. What are you learning? What's happening right now?
So this is an all-party meeting, and representative and floor leaders from all the parties have been invited in this particular meeting. This is very crucial, as it is on this forum that government will know what the issues and what are the demands of the opposition and what the issues they want to raise. In fact, we spoke to Pramod Tiwari. He said that a post for deputy speaker is one of the key agendas, because this has traditionally been with the largest opposition party. So a contentious issue, absolutely. There is a NEET issue, there is an inflation issue, there is an employment issue. All of that will be raked up by the opposition. And when we spoke to Aam Aadmi Party MP, Mr. Sanjay Singh, he said the issue of nameplate being put up on every shop in UP will also be taken by Aam Aadmi Party. Whether the government will accede to the demand or not, we'll get to know in some time. But Rajnath Singh is presiding along with JP Nadda and Kiren Rijiju. The three of them will be sitting on the dais. Rest of them will be also present here. Chirag Paswan has come. John Bitas has come. TDP, DMK, RJD, TMC is not coming because they have this event in Martyrs Day in Bengal, and invites have in fact went to every party leader. So along with them, they have their representative, and almost 50 leaders are going to be present in this meeting. Mr. PV Midhun Reddy, Vijay Sai Reddy are there from YSRCP.
Right.
So all of them are here. Chirag Paswan. We'll see what are the issues that they're going to take up. Whether the government would accede to their demands or not is yet to be seen. But they all have come prepared. They all have come to ensure that the government speak on their issues, that government dedicates some time, apart from the budget, government, dedicates some time for the issues that they would want government to respond to.
Right.